So we're here today to work on Barefoot Shiatsu. This is a class that I love teaching. I especially like teaching it to people who weigh less than their partner, like a woman working on her husband or her boyfriend, or anyone whose partner is a little bit bigger than them, or children who are learning to work on their parents. It's also really useful for people who just want to learn how to do body work that's deep and effective without exerting a lot of pressure and by protecting their hands. So I'm going to use my body weight in a safe way and work on her shoulder top from the base of her neck all the way across the shoulder top to the outer tip of the shoulder. Now I need to be as sensitive with my foot as if I was using my hand. So I don't need to look at her. I'm feeling with my foot like I have a monkey foot. And I'm gradually applying pressure, taking the soft tissue away from the bone. And I'm using mostly the ball of the foot, or sometimes just the tip of my big toe. But it's really quite effective and quite deep. I can also use the heel of my foot when I want to do compressions. So I'm on the same side of her spine, right next to the spine. And she'll naturally exhale when I step. I don't have to tell her exhale. She'll just naturally do it. And as much as anything in body work, we're helping the person feel where to breathe. It's their breath that does all the healing. All I'm doing is showing them where to breathe. Where have they become unconscious in their movement patterns? Where has the soft tissue become adhered? This is so much easier than using my thumbs, for example, to do shiatsu. I'm using my heel. And she's plenty muscular enough so that even I must weigh 30, 40 pounds more than her at least, I can still use my heel. It still fits because she has enough musculature. So this is a good style. She's an athletic woman, so this works well. Her spine just went crink, little adjustment, yeah? So we don't try for that, it just either comes or doesn't come. Doing soft tissue work really helps the bones to also reset into their natural place. So taking a class like Barefoot Shiatsu could be just like an hour and a half on one evening, or it could be 100 hours where you learn a pattern and become quite adept at it. These are among the styles of massage that we both do. You could come receive a session in, or you can learn how to do.